To fix camera shutter lock on the Samsung S26 Ultra, let me show you 3 tips. The first one, if you got the low lighting condition, then sometimes, as you can see, you will get this night mode. So even when it's set for 2 seconds, as you can see, it will look like this. So we can click here to turn it off. But now to another things, click here, go into the settings, go for photo enhancer and select to prioritize speed to get fast capture. But also scroll into the camera assistant. If you are opening this for the first time, then you will have to actually download this plugin. And now go for quick tap shutter. So now it will look like this. And also make sure that you are gonna turn off this one, this focus enhancer, and to get 12 megapixel mode instead of the 50 or 200. And you can take photos much faster.